Hello guys, welcome to the 22nd session of Create Custom Alexa skill using AWS Lambda function tutorials for beginners. In this session we will use Audio Player Directive. Let us update speech message with playing your request. Here we need to use add AudioPlayer.Play directive method of response builder. It will take 5 parameters. First is playback behavior. It can be replace all, enqueue and replace enqueue. Replace all will begin playback immediately. Enqueue will add playback at the end of the queue. Replace enqueue will remove all existing playback and add new in the queue. However, it will not reflect current playing track. I am using replace all. Second is URL of the audio file. I will use same audio that we have used in the previous session. Next is token to identify the stream. You can use any text but no longer than 124 characters. Here I am using URL of the audio file as a token, so it will be unique for each audio file. Next is offset. It specifies offset in milliseconds from which audio will be played. I want to play this from starting, so select 0. Next is expected the previous token. When you are using enqueuer, this token is required. It specifies token for track after which this will be played. Here I have used replace all, so it does not require it. Now we have created a handler for starting music but no write anything for stop or pause music. Let us copy this music intent handler to create a new handler. Listen to this handler for pause intent. It is special kind of intent. It will be added when we will adding an audio player interface for our skill. We need to execute it when audio player is playing only. Let us add a simple message to inform the user that stopping your music request. We need to call add AudioPlayer.Stop directive method. This method does not require any parameters, so remove those. And we need to register pause intent. Now save the file and deploy Lambda function. Here we also need to add permissions for audio player, so click on Interface. Enable audio player, build model, open JSON editor. Here you can see that it includes some predefined intents such as pause intent and resume intent. If you want to continue developing from Ask CLI, then now we need to use ask clone command to clone existing skill to your computer. Currently the simulator does not support audio player directives, so you need to test it in your device. I am going to use my Echo Dot. Alexa, open the second demo.
Welcome to your first Alexa skill from version 2 SDK.
Play the music.
Playing your request.
Alexa, pause music.
Stopping your music request.
Here it played audio as well as a stop as we have developed. Now let us see what we have learned in this session. We can generate audio in two ways, that is SSML and audio directive. Audio file must be followed specification provided by Amazon. Use this FFmpeg library to convert your existing audio file and upload it to S3 bucket. It contains several predefined intents. Those are listed here. We have used pause intent. Alexa supports that 3 audio player directories at the time of recording. Here we have used play and stop. You can also try clear queue to remove all tracks from the queue, and also try to use predefined intents to create your own custom music player. This is an example. We have used SSML to play audio. Use audio tag and pass audio file URL in source attribute. To send an audio file using AudioPlayer directive, we need to use add AudioPlayer.Play directive method, in which we need to pass behavior, audio URL, token, previous token, and offset. We can also attach a standard card or text message to our player. Recently, Amazon announced metadata for the audio player which will display album art or ecospot. Here I have stopped audio player on pause request. You can also handle it in cancel intent. I have also checked it that we will stop it only if audio player is playing. Use add AudioPlayer.Stop directive method to stop the music. We have updated interface permissions from skill console, but we can also change it from skills.json.file. But you need to manually add all intent required by the interface in interaction model. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please feel free to contact me. Have a nice day.